Hey YouTube, back again. It's been a minute. I've been real busy at work and stuff. You guys know how the work life is. But I figured, done a lot of modifications. I think I'm going to do one more video after this snow drive. We just got turned around. We were kind of playing around. Forgot to video. So I figured we'd throw a little bit out there on YouTube today. So I give you a little hint. I got 35-inch tires on it now. They're doing pretty good. But got a little miles in the back, my beautiful woman in my passenger seat, and we're way up out Glide, Oregon. He's playing at this fire truck, don't mind that. But anyways, go ahead and show him outside the door at the tires there and give him a view of the depth.
I don't know if you can see it really well,
but you know, just a little bit of snow.
It's pretty deep though.
We're floating on top right now, so
yeah.
Alright guys, well, let me see that real quick, give them a little view. Oops, sorry about the hand there. It's gorgeous out here though with these snow drifts. You can see that tree, how deep it goes down in there. I would say right now we're in about 2 to 3 feet of snow in areas. We've got a lot of snow drift with snow on top that's starting to melt a little, so it's really thick stuff. If anyone drove in that, you'll know how hard it is to drive in. It's really patient is what you gotta be. So alright, she's gonna go ahead and record a little bit of this drive out. Figured be some good winter excitement for everyone. We're in 4 low currently. A lot of people don't like 4 low, but when you get in deep snow like this, I already aired down. You don't want to dig down and sink. So. I mean, it's so deep. I'm rubbing differentials. If anyone's got some snow videos, go ahead and share them to me in my on my page. I'll go ahead and watch them in the comments. I'd love to see some other people doing some snow driving. It's my favorite thing to do. Got deep again. Another snow drift. Gotta put her back in four low first gear and kind of ease through it.
So white. I don't know if the camera's focusing.
It's alright. Do the best we can. Sorry about the camera.
You can see how deep the ruts are though.
Yeah, and on video it does no justice to how deep it really is, but
yeah,
it's pretty incredible how well these Jeeps do. I was kind of shocked. I had it in 4 high and it doesn't like it in 4 high being a sport. It doesn't use that locker, so when I get it down in 4 low, it does that electronic locking in the rear and it makes it way better. I mean, it's freaking incredible, the difference. You can even ask her. I mean, we were going pretty fast in it. I mean, about 10 miles an hour, 15 miles an hour, and then
that's pretty.
It just digged down. So put it in 4 low, I can get into 3rd gear and do the same speed, and I got way more grip with that locker. So I can only imagine how the Rubicon does. Tell him, Bubba.
This is deep. I don't know if they can tell, but you're rubbing in the middle.
Show them the tire. They're 35s. I mean, you can see how far it goes up.
Yeah.
We're sitting on the snowstorm.
It's like more than halfway up on the tire.
There's about a foot of snow on the road. I think next good trip we go on when we got some people, we're going to definitely get them out there and show them what's up. Show them out there one more time. Give them a little sample of what might be on the
Oh, the light. It looks so cool.
So what you guys think on YouTube? You want to come to Oregon and go wheeling? Let's go. I'll leave the kids at home and we'll go play like adults. Waiting for my dad to get his tires. I think he's going to get what I'm getting. He said something about ordering a pair, so he's going to be more than happy with them, that's for sure. Second. Alrighty. This is so fun. I like how quiet it is.
Road that went down that way, and there's no tracks.
Yeah, there weren't any tracks on this one either. These one tracks, like I said, it's us. There's tracks from the last snowfall, but that's it.
That was probably like a week or more
It's
ago.
a pretty technical spot. You wanna go ahead and give them a view out there, man? I think that's going to be a short one for today. But like I said, don't be bummed. I'm sorry I haven't posted. I think now I got a different phone. My camera before just, it didn't cut it. It was very hard to talk through it. The camera, it was just not a good camera. It's good for like water sports and stuff. So we're definitely going to put out a little more footage for you from here on out. We'll try to do one a weekend. If not, I'm going to try for two, but I'm not going to promise anything. So if I do two, it'll be one on the weekend and one through the middle of the week. But until next time, guys, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.